Okay, so Crinkles and I are going to show you. Hi, Crinkles. Perp, perp. We are going to show you our second balcony. This is the loft. This is our bedroom. There's luggage everywhere. Oh, this is the other bathroom. It's kind of cool. There's a pee-pee potty bit over there. Mini fridge. This is the glass wall or glass door that you go through. It goes all the way back. You go up some stairs. It's got a little sink. So here is the balcony. This is our swimming pool. And again, okay, now this is the view. I know it's awfully bright right there, isn't it? Okay. Mountains, 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 mountains. More mountains. It's so beautiful, and you can't imagine how beautiful it is at night because it's all nice and lit up. But this here, if you look closely, is Christ the Redeemer. Yeah, that's a statue. That big Jesus with his arms stretched out. Alright, so that's the view from the second balcony, the one that's on the, I'm going to call it the 6.5 floor balcony.